Easy Keto Chicken Pasta Recipe. In a preheated pan, melt 2 tablespoons butter. Add 30 grams, or 2 tablespoons of onion. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic. Add 200 milliliters of tomato paste, mixed with 4 tablespoons of water, or 200 milliliters of tomato sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Add more seasoning when needed. Stir until the sauce thickens. Add 450 grams of cooked, zero-carb pasta. Add half cup chicken broth, or use 1 Maggi chicken stock cube, dissolved in half cup of water. Add 400 grams of steamed diced chicken. Stir occasionally. Simmer for 7 to 8 minutes. Add 75 grams of parmesan. Add 200 grams of mozzarella or cheddar cheese. Simmer for another minute or 2, or until the cheese melts. Garnish with some parsley, and serve. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.